Initial separation for process BAS-SB routing. The feathers are vacuum lifted into pneumatic tubes.
The guinea fowl carcasses pass through a series of rotating silicone brushes and high-velocity air knives, meticulously removing The continuous roll of high-barrier film is precisely measured and cut by the automated system, preparing the sterile pouch for the model GF30 product.
A powerful, multi-axis robotic palletizer systematically stacks the sealed boxes of guinea fowl whole carcasses.
The GF30 carcass enter the final cooling passage, ensuring no condensation forms on the packaging.
Secondary quality check on package seals. Every vacuum-sealed guinea fowl carcass is pressure tested by a robotic arm to detect micro leaks and ensure product safety.
The laser profiler scans the geometric dimensions, comparing them against the GF30 blueprint.
packages pass over a final dynamic check weigher, ensuring the net weight matches the label exactly. Any deviation.
Resistance. This measure is taken to control microclimates within the packaging during storage, further protecting the quality and fixed attributes of
The layered blanket of high-quality feather down enters a colossal, heated compression machine, utilizing rollers and plates.
The finished high-quality feather down emerges as a continuous sheet. Specialized laser sensors immediately.
Here in Process B, the specialized environment allows for the precise stacking of our high-quality feather down panels.
Analysis active. Flawless. Batch 7075 T6. Process B verified.
Confirmed. The Process B lot is cleared for shipping.
A sample panel of the high-quality feather down is subjected to a pull test in the Process B zone, measuring the strength.
The layered feather down passes through a final electrostatic filter, removing microscopic dust.
A fine, invisible mist of fire-retardant solution is sprayed onto the panels. This crucial safety
Listos. 1, 2, 3.
Cuidado al bajarlo.
Ponlo aquí junto a los demás.
This diagram really highlights the energy savings from the insulation.
Yes, the feather down provides unmatched comfort and efficiency. It feels incredible.
Used in specialized acoustic panels, this high-quality feather down provides superior sound absorption.
Installation is flawless. This high-quality feather down ensures superior thermal performance and adheres strictly to all building codes.
The sustainable origins of this down are very impressive.
Yes, it's all natural feather, and as you can see, the quality is unmatched in the market.
The completed high-quality feather down product ensures the stability and long-term functional benefit of this modern structure.